Okay, beautiful weather in the Hague, Netherlands, where we are sat. Really beautiful. Just pass through a tunnel and then I'm out. I'm going to push it really fast here. Let's see. Let's see. This is a bike lane. On top, you see the overhead electric line. But today is a different day in the stock market because it's like there's some assurance that the war might come to an end in the Middle East. So yeah, stocks are going up. You buy the bottom. I told you the other time what Warren Buffett said: when it's low, buy, and when it's high, sell. It was low for some weeks. It's still low now. So I'm not. It's not an advice. Just repeating Warren Buffett.
Split 1, 20 minutes, 5
Advice,
seconds.
which is
Split speed, 14,9 kilometers per hour.
buy when it is low, and sell when it is high. Yeah. But investing is risk. I bought some, and yeah, let's see how it goes, man. Because what do? There's some positive news I saw before I started cycling. And for me, energy stocks also were going too high, like it went really high. And to some extent, it was extended. We say extended, meaning like it got too high. So, red lights. Another option is like if you don't want to buy the dip because you are afraid what will happen, no problem. Just hang on. When there is a reversal, when it changes to the upside, then you can buy. Just wait for confirmation. Today is just this early sign that the market is turning. If you don't buy today, that's fine. Wait for confirmation. Because I'm going to tell you another thing that is big in the market. When the price reverses up, when the prices go up after it had gone down, it won't go straight up most of the time. It would come back to test that level. It would come back a little bit. So it will go for like 2-3 days. It will go a bit up, but it will just keep going. It will come back to test that former low, we call it. And that's where you buy. Then you know if it goes up again, it's for real. Most people miss that, but I've been in this business for like 7 years. So I don't rush if something just boom, went up, go up. I know it will come back a little bit and then take off again. So that's what I'm waiting to do. The market just started going up today before I started cycling. So I'm not bothered. It will retest it, it will come back a little bit before going up. And that's when to go in. Because that's a confirmation. It has happened again and again and again and again and again and again. So, and that really differentiates between those who panic and jump into a trade and those who know what they are doing. Like they see a big move, just take it easy. Note which one is moving big wait for it to come back a little bit, and then when it starts going again, that's when you go in. Yeah? And so I just get on my bike. I bought some lows actually, but then I'm gonna get in again when there is this pull back and move. And like, it can be complicated, but it can be easy if you know what you're doing. Easy does it. So that's the way I do it. I'm tracking my, right now I have my Apple watch, which is connected to my phone. I can track what's up in the market because I have some account that I follow that gives me updates. And for now, I'm just chilling. Yeah, just chilling. I repeat what I said because you might need this, you might use this, you might find it useful when the price was down for a bit on a stock or an ETF, whatever you're buying, and it starts going up. The best time to buy is not just when it goes up, but wait for it to come back a little bit again. Call it a retest of the previous low. When it comes back to retest and then it starts going up again, that is a more convincing buy. That's what we call it. And that's what I'm going to do. And yeah, another thing that I can tell you from my experience is the stop loss. The stop loss. You buy stuff, you don't always think the market goes up. Ask yourself, what am I prepared to lose? But people don't know how to set that stop loss. Like, where do you set your loss? Where? Like, where do you put your stop loss? Do you know that? Yes, number one, you must put stop loss. But number two, do you know where to put your stop loss? Two things that most experts do. Two ways, not two things, two ways on how you can determine where to put your stop loss. So the first thing is the low of the day. Meaning, if the market, the stocks open the lowest price for the day at the time you bought is $10, and you bought it and it starts going up, immediately put your stop loss below $10. So low of the day. Let's say you bought at $10.10 or $10.50. You put your stop loss at $10, and then that's one way. The other thing is to look at what is called average through range, which is how much does this price goes up a day or go down a day in the last few weeks. That is the average through range. So if the average through range is $5, you can say I'm going to put my stop loss $5 below my buying price so that you can give room for the price to fluctuate before going up. Either way, you must put a stop loss, because you can then sleep at night. And I tell you this, people think they have to get all their stocks, all their stocks has to go up. Like if they buy, they must make profit in all the stocks. Then nobody, I repeat, nobody always get it right for all the stocks you buy. Nobody. If you are that person, show me. No, you can check. And you don't need that to do well. You don't need that. You don't need to be right all the time. No, 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 no. Because that's what makes people panic. No. If you do 5 trades, you buy 5 stocks, and only 2 go up well. I mean, only 2 out of 5 go up well. You can still make money. How? I'll tell you the math. Let's say you buy 5 stocks, 2 go up by 5%, only 5%. So together you get 10%. And the other one goes down. But you put your stop loss at 1% for the 3. So the 3 losses combined is 3%, and the 2 win combined is 10%. 10 minus 3, 7%. You see that? So you don't panic. Just follow your rules. But stop loss becomes very important. Putting the stop loss. What is stop loss? How much am I prepared to lose if this stop doesn't work? That's the bloody thing about stop loss. So it's crucial. And that's why you see me cycling, like when the market is on. I'm not sticking. I buy my stock, I put my stop loss, I go cycling and I go spotting. I don't really care. Like, I know even one good trade is enough. You know what? I don't care. Just make sure you manage. That's what we call trade management. Some people can even trade. They have very good strategy. They know how to trade, but they cannot manage their trade and they still have losses. So trade management. Just see this graph will crush. Yeah. Trade management is key. I mean, like if you manage your discipline, you can manage your trade. You can make more money than someone that knows a lot to trade but can't manage the trade. We'll talk about this maybe some of the time, but I thought I would tell you that today was some sort of rally, but I'm not gonna go all in. I'll wait for a retest. Retest means the price will come back again a little bit. Maybe not to the where it was before it will blast again. Yeah. So how was it? That was it. That was my advice information for you today. And if you want such content, make sure to subscribe and like, share the content, and turn on the notification, because when I cycle, I like to talk stocks. I just love it, because if you don't love what you do, you're not going to do it well. I love stocks. Oh my God. I can talk stocks 24/7. I read stocks. There's no day I don't study stocks. No day. I study it. I love it. I love stocks. I love charts. I love everything about stocks. I love it. Because it allows me to be anywhere. I can work from anywhere. I can live anywhere. I can just do whatever. All I need is a computer with a phone, or with a computer with an internet, or even a phone with my internet, and that's it. That's why I love trading. It took me some time to master this thing a little bit, and I'm sharing with you FOC free of charge. Go to my channel and see every week I review which stock was doing well today and how could you spot it, and which stocks was not doing well this week. So every day I do that. Every day I do that. All right, guys. Um, I have to cut the call. I'll see you guys. I see quite a lot of you. I'm gonna appreciate but let's talk some other time. Let me see your comments a little bit. Let me see. That's Olan, Captain Black. Yes. Where is this Olan?